What I really love about being on the volleyball team is we have a really good community of girls, and that makes having kind of built-in friends easier when you come in to the college because you already have these group of girls that you spend a week and a half with before coming in to school in the fall that you already know. So if you don't find a community right away when you're going into orientation or just in classes, you already have this built-in kind of friend group. And what separates us from other teams is that we build on our Christian faith, and so just having a Christian community all around you is great.